Hi, my name is Spencer Morga.
Hello, my name is Jay Garg.
I'm Mia Lesser.
We are the web development team for the Westlake Tennis Academy, a local nonprofit business dedicated to helping kids in Westlake Village succeed in a top-notch high school tennis program. Here's the homepage for our website with a title and a slogan. Below, we have a short program description and 2 buttons. Returning members can join a lesson, while new members can learn more. At the top left, you can see the logo, and in the browser header, you can see our favicon. As I scroll down, the page blends into a testimonial carousel and images of Westlake varsity team. Below are banners highlighting Westlake Tennis's accomplishments. At the bottom of the page is our website footer, including the school's address and general info, as well as a functional link to our sources page.
Now, if we go to the mission page, the user can learn more about why this program was developed. We wanted our website to be accessible on a large range of devices. You can see that when we change the size of the screen, it adapts to give the user the best experience. The navbar collapses at the iPhone size and still includes all our navigation links. We were very concerned with accessibility in making our site and made sure our color palette was not only contrasting, so it was easy to read, but also colorblind friendly.
Back to the homepage. Clicking on this button, I'm taken to the Learn More page. A description of the tennis lessons, as well as descriptions on how to sign up, are included. Below are frequently asked questions, which are structured in a drop-down accordion format that provides greater user readability. So let's try to join a lesson. But wait, we have to be logged in, so let's create an account.
When we create an account, we have to enter an username, email, and password, and have the option to sign up for our mailing list. An error will occur if we make a mistake. Once we create an account, we'll be automatically logged in and can access the Join Lesson page.
In the middle of the page, we can see the date of the selected day and whether or not there's a lesson. If there is not a lesson, you can see below when the next available lesson will be. On the right, there's also an option to request a lesson for the selected day. Let's make a request on the 23rd. If we click on a day with a lesson, we can see the time, and beneath that, we have an integrated API for Google Maps, so the user can see the location of the lesson and move the map around. On the right-hand side, we can see the list of instructors for this lesson and the students who have registered, so people can see if their friends have joined. We can enter the name of our participant and register, and see the name displayed and the spots taken. It now says that the lesson is full because the max amount of people have joined. We can also click to future months and see the lessons there.
If we go to the Accounts page, we can edit our account information and see our past and upcoming lessons. We can even see the lesson we just added.
Let's see the instructor page. Each box contains a portrait and information about each instructor. Users can learn more about the instructor's tennis background, their playing and teaching style, their hobbies, and more. Users can click the email to easily contact the instructors. But what if users want to become an instructor themselves? To volunteer for the Westlake Tennis Academy, prospective applicants can find more about it on this page with a testimonial from the program's founder about the benefits of volunteering. Clicking on the Find Available Positions button, applicants are taken to a selection menu of the different available volunteer positions. Currently, a junior instructor, senior instructor, and advertiser positions are available with a short description. Users can choose which position to apply by clicking the respective button below. Let's apply for the junior instructor position.
The user is then brought to our application form, which asks the user's personal information, their prior experience, and why they would like to be a volunteer. I will now fill out the form as if I was a student applying to become a junior instructor. Once done, I can click Submit. To edit lessons and review applications, we can log into an admin account which only instructors will have access to.
If we click on the Applications link, we can see a table with names, email addresses, and the position each applicant applied for. If we click on the View Application button, we can see each applicant's form. Here we can see Emily's application form, the one we just submitted. The application form is displayed for the admin in the same format as it does the applicant. The admin can review their application and use these buttons to reject or accept an applicant. An appropriate email will be sent to the applicant notifying them of their decision. Now, let's edit some lessons.
We added this admin-only edit lesson screen so our non-tech-savvy business owners are able to add, edit, and delete lessons with ease. If a day like today does not currently have a lesson, there's a form to add one. If you click on a day that currently has a lesson, we can see the current data already filled in and choose to change any of the fields. We can also see the participants who have registered. Let's change the student limit. Once we hit edit or delete a lesson, an email will be sent out to the participants to notify them that the lesson has been changed or deleted. Now let's try adding a lesson. The days with blue circles around them are days that have requests. Let's go to the 23rd where we made a request and add a lesson. We have to put in all the information correctly or we will get error messages. The people who have requested will receive an email if a lesson is added on that day. Now if we go back to the Join a Lesson page, we can see the new lesson added and the changes to the one we edited.
From the footer, here's our sources page, where all the citations and licenses are listed in sections, each with individual scrollability. All the page designs were designed and built by our team without the help of any pre-built website programs such as Wix. No templates were used, and the design of the user interface and experience are unique and original. So, the Westlake Tennis Academy will be advertised through paper handouts with QR codes. To maximize the accessibility of the Academy to possible clients, we want our website to be accessible by phones. We created a fully functional mobile version of our website, complete with uniquely mobile design. Being able to scan a QR code increases the accessibility of possible clients.
We coded the entire website ourselves, so we were able to tailor the design to our desired branding. We designed our website using Figma, then created it with React. Here you can see our front-end code. We have an organized file structure with separate JavaScript and CSS files. You can also see some of our files here with organized code and appropriate spacing. React is an industry standard in web design, and its highly responsive components allow for a better user experience.
Here is the backend server, which is written in Node.js and hosted in Google Cloud. It connects to the MongoDB database and has over 30 custom APIs that make our website work. The server's code is organized into different sections, including models, controllers, and routers to improve readability. I will now start the server to send myself a reminder email because I'm signed up for tomorrow's lesson. This server uses a job scheduler called Agenda to automatically send reminder emails to users who are signed up one day before the lesson. This will help users remember their lessons and increase attendance. It works by scheduling a function to run the day before every lesson that sends customized emails to every student with lesson information such as the date, location, and instructor. It even includes links to the website and to Google Maps with the exact address of the lesson so users don't get lost. Here's the backend code.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation.